10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులకు విద్యావారధి సంబంధించి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో సెట్స్లో వర్క్షీట్ 2 మనం ఈరోజు డిస్కస్ చేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి వర్క్షీట్ 2 సంగతి మనం ఈరోజు చూద్దాం. ఆల్రెడీగా వర్క్షీట్ 1 అనేది మనం మీతో చేయించడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు వర్క్షీట్ 2 చూసినట్టయితే ఈరోజు వర్క్షీట్ 2 మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం. ఇందులో వర్క్షీట్ 2 మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ sets. First one, the symbol denote an empty set. The symbol denote an empty set. The empty set 5, that is C. We know that C. Five empty set. So and second one, empty sets. So C is correct. The number of subsets of A, here small a don't write, set always represented in capital A. A is equal to 1 2 3. So number of subsets is equal to 2 power n. Here n is equal to 3. 2 power n is equal to 2 cube, that is equal to 8. So answer is 8. And also third problem, which one is an infinite set? Infinite set, here a set of circles drawn through 2 points. So here 2 points. Yes, here 2 points. So to write a circle 1 and a set of line segment on a line. So this one is a line. To write same, to write same, same, and so on. So to write any line, only 2 passes on the line. Set of diagonals in a rhombus. So this one is rhombus, only 2 diagonals are there. Set of common points of pair of, so this one is 11th line, not, this is parallel lines. Parallel have no common point, that is equal to 0. So answer is this one. What is that? B. B is correct answer. Now fourth one, which of the following set has only one subset? 5 set has only one subset. 5 set has only, this one is 5. 5 set has only one subset. So there is no alternate. Now given two example of universal set from the nature. Nature law two universal sets ante. Universal sets ante all the sets in it. All the sets are in it. This is called universal set. So a drop of water in the sea, a piece of sand in desert, and these are all example for universal sets. Pupils in the globe, they also. And sixth one, now to clarify, is phi is equal to set of 0, justify. So answer is not. No. Answer is no. Because phi is equal to empty set only. Not to write single element. At least 0. 0 kuda manam రాయకూడదు. So this is not. Why? Because empty set phi is equal to empty set. Next, write short answer questions. Here to follow short answer question number 7. What is power set? Power set means a set consisting of all subsets in it is called power set. What are the subsets to write a given set? These are all elements in that set is called power set. So that is power set. Now power set denoted by P of A. P of power set denoted by P of A. Okay. Now write power set of ABC. So how many elements are there in ABC? Capital A. Here 3 elements are there. So number of elements is equal to 2 power n. That is equal to 2 cube. That is equal to 8. 8 elements are there. What are they? They are simple to write. If phi is subset of all sets 1. Every set is subset of itself ABC. Singleton set A, B, C, AB, BC and AC. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Phi set itself ABC, single A, single B, single C, AB, pair BC, pair CA. These are 8 sets. So these are all subsets of A. Now this one is 8th one. Why the following sets are not equal? So here A consisting of 5, 6, 7, 8. B consisting of 5, 7, 8. But to compare these two, 6 is not there in B. So B is 6 is additional amount in A. So that is the reason A not equal to B. 6 is there in A, hence A is not equal. Now C is equal to XYZ, D is equal to PQR. So here two sets have same element, equal number of elements. Number of elements are equal, but they are not equal. Hence C not equal to D. Okay. Now essay question fourth Roman essay answer question. State which of the following are disjoint sets. Which are disjoint sets? Give reason. What is joint and what is disjoint? Joint means two sets have common elements is called joint sets. Disjoints means they have no common elements. They have no common elements. Sets they are no common elements is called disjoint sets. Here A 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. But A2 set of primes below 20. Below 20 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are all in A2. These are all in A2. These are in A2. So to compare these two sets, here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11. And so to compare these two sets, 17 and 18 are additional elements in A2 compared to A1. So these two are joint sets but have disjoint sets. These are joint sets. A common elements are there. Hence these two are A1 and A2 are joint sets. A1, A2 are joint sets. Joint sets. Okay. Now, next example, B1 is equal to all Indians and B2 is equal to all Andhras. We know about it. First of all, we Indians and then classify Andhras. So, A1 is a big one and A2 is included. So, here B2 is a subset of B2 is subset of B1. These two are joint sets. Joint sets. Joint sets. So A1, A2 joint sets and B1, B2 also joint sets. Now 10th question, distinguish between equal sets and equivalent sets, which are with any two examples. Okay. Here two words, equal sets and equivalent sets. Equal sets means two sets consisting of same number and same elements. Same number and same elements. Equivalent means it has only for number. Let example equal and equivalent. So equal and equivalent. So here xy is equal to xy. These two are equal sets. Here equivalent means x, y, z A, B, C. So to compare these two here, elements are equal and number of elements also equal. Here elements are not equal, but here 3 elements is also 3 elements are there. So this is called equivalent sets. A number is equal, then it is equivalent sets. A number and same elements are there, they are equal sets. Okay, thank you, one and all.